Well, here we're looking at GLD. We see this kind of running sideways a little bit on the daily, I think, to try to get a little bit more insight. It seems like it's trying to improve a little bit, as you could see, because it does give back a little bit from the prior day's, attempt at the lows. It's better to kind of go into the 60-minute chart, kind of gives a better, heads up here. On the 60-minute, you could see it really trying to improve to the upside. You could see it trying to kind of break this downtrend here. Almost looks like it's trying to create this kind of a bottom here. But that being said, you still have the longer term trend that has been just recently broke through that major range. So may not be just ready for that. So this is one of those kind of situations that if it broke up over maybe the 114 level, yeah, maybe we'll see this turning here. But on the short term, you have to anticipate a little bit of a pullback into here to the 110 or 111 range, and any further break there, I think you could see this take another test of the 110, the low 110 range, um, because we are seeing this kind of in this sideways action. A lot of times that resolves to the downside or the continued trend, which has been to the downside. A lot of times, every once in a while it creates the new trend, and it does come up, and you see the exhaustion and you see the divergence, and that's the reason why this is still a little bit of, are we creating a new trend here, or are we done? But I'm still leaning that we're still negative overall, but on the short term, people are trying to make a little bit of a covering around in here, and so I would be a little concerned to the upside here and anticipate some retests of the downside. If it breaks the 113 and a half or so, then I would consider that this should improve maybe to the 117 or 115 range.